I have a simple deployment here. It's a basic two-pod nginx deployment that you can see, and I'm pulling the latest nginx and I'm running this on port 80. So this is exactly what you'll see here. And here you have a couple of pods running on two different worker nodes, and this is the service that I have, which is running, which has endpoints. Oh, these are the two endpoints that we have here. And to set up the service, this is what I did after applying the nginx deployment. All I did was I just exposed the deployment, and you have this service up and running. Now bear in mind that the naming convention here in this setup is different from what you have here. The service name is called nginx here. It's coming into two different pods on two different. Now to access this, I would typically need an ingress, but I really want to test it out, so I don't want to get into ingress and stuff, so I just want to test it out. So I'm using port forward. I'm forwarding the port to 8080. So let's run this here. So now it's forwarded to port 8080. So all I can say is local port 8080. I have nginx running here, so I'm just trying to refresh. It works. Now let's go back to the architecture that you have. So as you can see, the connection always goes to a single pod. The reason being, it has, as you can see here, you can see this is a tunnel that connects between your local computer to your nginx pod, and the moment you run port forward. I can also demonstrate that with you. So as you can see, we have two pods here running, and I'm just trying to set up two different logs here for these two different pods, right? And launch these pods that you can understand what's happening. See, the request is only going through to this server, that no request is coming here. So it always goes to a single node. Now here is the edge case. So what do we want to do here? As you can see, we want to destroy this pod and see what happens to our application, right? So for that, I can go here, and then I can say kubectl delete pod, and I can paste it here. So that would delete my pod. Now bear in mind, after deleting the pod, I would definitely get another new pod up and running, right? So there is no problem with high availability here. Kubernetes is doing its job. Now let's refresh. Let's try to hit this, and I just got an empty response, and it kind of just got refused, right? The reason is simple. As I said, it's because of it's just lost connection to the tunnel. So the moment the pod is terminated, your system loses its connectivity, and the only way that you can get it up and running is obviously to run the port forwarding again. So that would set up the connectivity between your local system to your local pod. So if you can see it, go to the browser, right? And as you can see, the application is already running just because of that, right? So if you like this video, there is a very high chance of you liking my next video, because I'm going to break things down a little bit more, right? For that, you can just follow me on on LinkedIn, Twitter. You can also subscribe to my channel. You'll get all the links here, or you can just type my name on search for my name on Google, and you'll pretty much find all the links that you require, right? That's my time for today. I don't like to say goodbye but I can say see you next time. Have a wonderful day ahead.